Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing, we need to put natural log for the both sides. So we have the formula in here. So capital A, that is about s. Capital B, that is about the square root of s. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So we have like this. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. This one, we have first derivative of y over y because we have this formula in here. Next, this one, we need to do first derivative of the square root of s. Later that, we multiply by f and s. Then we do first derivative of f and s multiplied by the square root of s, because that is about the product rule of derivative. So first derivative of the square root of s, we have 1 over 2 with the square root of s. The next one, that is about 1 over s. Next, we multiply both sides by y. And we know that y, that is about this one. And this is the answer for the question. Question number 2. We do the same. So we put about natural log for the both sides. And we have tan x, f and s. Next, we need to do first derivative of f and y. So we have like this. Next, this one we have secant of s squared. This one we have 1 over s. Later that, we multiply both sides by y. About y, that is about s to the power of tan s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.